This is the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED. It's a versatile laptop that can be converted into a tablet. It comes with a stylus, the Asus Pen 2.0, and in this video, I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about this laptop and tablet. Let's start off with what it comes with in the box. You get a sleeve, a cover stand that attaches to the rear of this tablet using magnets. It's surprisingly sturdy and you can place it in portrait or landscape mode. It comes with a full-size detachable keyboard that has a trackpad. It too can attach to the laptop with the help of magnets. You get a stylus, the Asus Pen 2.0, a stylus holder that attaches to the laptop using magnets, and finally it comes with a 65 watts charger that can charge this laptop from 0 to 60% in 39 minutes. Now, before I talk about how versatile the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED is, let me show you the ports it comes with. On the left side, it has a micro SD card reader. Creatives would have preferred an SD card reader. It has two USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports that supports display and power delivery and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now moving to the right side, it has the volume buttons. At the top of this laptop, it has the power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner, and with one tap, it unlocks the laptop. Now moving to one of the things that make the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED versatile, and that's the detachable keyboard that has a trackpad. It's a full-size keyboard with function keys at the top for shortcuts to control the volume, the brightness, take screenshots, launch the My Asus app, and to disable the trackpad. The typing experience with it is good with 1.4mm key travel. I love the sound it makes, listen. Not bad, right? My only complaint is the shift button is a little bit small. One disadvantage with this keyboard is it's not backlit. That's not a problem for me because I can actually type with my eyes closed. Yeah, it's one of my superpowers. For people that move about and work, you might think this keyboard is not sturdy enough. I mean, just look at it. But you can place it on your lap and type. You can use it in a car. I mean, it's a versatile little laptop. Moving to the trackpad, the size is decent enough and you can use gestures with it. The left and right buttons are firm and they give good feedback. The trackpad is accurate. The default speed is a bit too slow for me, but luckily there's an option to increase the speed to limit finger travel. Now the OLED display is another standout feature of the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED. It's the world's first 13.3-inch OLED window detachable laptop. The display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass, which makes it resistant to scratches and drops to a degree. This laptop also comes with a stylus, and yes, it's a touch-enabled screen, and for the technical bits, it's a full HD Plus display, meaning it's a 1080p panel with a resolution of 1910 by 1080 pixels. The aspect ratio is 16:9. It has a screen to body ratio of 83% and the bezels are not huge to me. You actually need the bezels to hold the laptop properly when using it in tablet mode. For consuming media, it's perfect. Detach the keyboard and you can take it anywhere and watch movies. It emits 70% less harmful blue light that causes visual discomfort. The display is bright at 550 nits and the colors are very accurate. The panel has a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. It's a HDR panel, it's also Pantone validated, and the response time is 0.2 milliseconds. Moving to the speakers, it has 4 of them. It uses Dolby Atmos surround sound technology to make it seem the speakers are around you. The speakers sound really good, the mids and high are great, but they lack bass. Now, part of the accessories you get with the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED is the Asus Pen 2.0. For drawing, it has 4096 pressure level sensitivity, 5 to 390 grams of pen tip force, it has a sampling rate of 266 Hz and 36 milliseconds latency. So for drawing, the pen is actually good, and my friend Oscar Mini drew this, and yes, this is impressive. Now this pen has 3 buttons on it, a mouse right click button, erase button, and the function button. It also has an LED light that shows the battery and pairing status of the pen. It comes with 4 interchangeable pen tips that changes the level of friction and how the pen feels to suit any drawing or writing style. The pen also has rechargeable batteries inside them and you can charge them using the charger that comes with the laptop. For the battery life, a full charge gives you around 140 hours of usage, and for the charging time it only takes 30 minutes to charge up. Now if you're not an artist and you don't see yourself drawing with this pen, well, it has other functions. You can use it to take a screenshot, you can use it to move to the next page during a presentation, so it's a useful accessory to have. Now for performance, the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED is powered by the Intel Pentium Silver N6000 processor. It comes with either 4 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The one I have here comes with 8GB of RAM and it isn't expandable. For the storage, it comes with either 128GB or 256GB. For the graphics card, it uses Intel Intel UHD graphics, and with specs like that, it's suitable for browsing, using it for spreadsheets, using it for word processing, presentation, Zoom calls, or even writing codes to a degree. And also with the stylus, you can use it to retouch pictures using Lightroom or Photoshop, as long as you don't overload it with too many pictures. Now, what this laptop isn't good at is playing graphic intensive games and also editing 4K videos. I mean, it's not built for that. You can actually play games on the cloud using Xbox Game Pass if it's available in your region. Now, another thing this laptop can do is load Android applications with the Intel Breed technology, so you can use it to open Instagram, TikTok, or any other Android application that you use on a regular basis. Now, one thing I like about this tablet is when you push it, it doesn't get hot. I mean, it doesn't even have a fan, so it makes zero noise. And for connectivity, the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, so when it comes to connectivity, you get the latest technology. Moving to the cameras, this laptop has two of them, a 5-megapixel front camera and a 30-megapixel rear camera. The quality of the rear camera isn't bad. I mean, I wouldn't use it to take pictures at a wedding. What I would use it for is capture documents, and with a pen, I can actually leave a remark or even sign a document and convert it to PDF. Alright guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED. It's a 5-megapixel camera and the quality doesn't look bad at all. From the file, it's saying it's a 1080p camera. So what do you guys think about the video and audio quality coming out from the front-facing camera of the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED? I must say, it looks very good. Alright, so let's test out the AI noise cancellation technology on the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED. I have my smartphone with me here and I'm just going to play a random clip of dogs barking. Right now the AI noise cancellation technology is off, so let me put it on and let's see if it's going to clear out that noise. So it's off right now and now it's on. It's on. Can you guys hear the dogs barking in the background? It's still playing. Can you guys hear me well? I don't know if it's working, but let me know what you guys think about the AI noise cancellation. Yeah, I'm turning it off right now and I have a chihuahua barking and it's loud. It's actually loud. So is it handling the noise coming up on my smartphone? It's actually loud. Let me know what you guys think about the AI noise cancellation in the comment section below. Let me just turn it off one more time. See, it's still, the dogs are still barking and I'm just going to, ow, it's loud. I'm going to put it on, and is it handling the noise? Is it dissipating the noise? Let me know in the comment section. The My Asus app is also present on this laptop, and with it, you can use it to update the drivers, you can use it to check the battery health, you can activate AI noise cancellation, among other things. Now, under advanced experience, you can pair your smartphone to this laptop and make calls with your laptop. You can transfer files from your laptop to your smartphone and vice versa. You can even use your smartphone camera as a webcam for better video quality. In addition, with the My Asus app, you can redeem 1 month of free Adobe Creative Cloud membership and also get discount on other applications. Now for the battery, inside this ultra slim convertible laptop lies a 50 watt-hour battery. I usually get around 6 to 7 hours screen on time with the brightness at 50%. For the charging time, well, it takes 39 minutes to charge this tablet from 0 to 60%, which is fast, and you can actually use a power bank to charge it up. Now in conclusion, the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED retails at 562,000 naira for the 8GB 256GB internal storage. And for the pros, well, it's a versatile and portable machine. You can use it as a tablet, and with the detachable keyboard, you can use it as a laptop. It has a stylus which comes in handy. The charging speed of this laptop is fast, and the Full HD Plus AMOLED display is very contrasty and very vibrant. For the cons, well, the performance has improved thanks to software updates, but when you push this tablet to the limit, it slows down a bit. If you're a power user and you want a versatile laptop like this one, I'll recommend you check out the Asus Vivobook S14 Flip OLED. So guys, that's my review of the Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys with more content like this. Valor Reviews, signing out.